Hello guys, my name is Gummy and today I'm going to be playing Peck, and I will show you around. So this is Animal Jam. Follow me. So let's follow this bunny. I never played this before. So yeah, I have hiccups also. And yeah, so whoa, they are beautiful. I want to look. Yeah, everyone has their own unique style. Learn by customizing yours. Let's do that. So we have to click here. See. So let's get this color. We're gonna be white. Whoa, no. Ew, I don't like that. So let's look like that. That looks perfect. Color me red. I love the new you. How you feel about it? How do I feel? Ice cream. I love this game. That's rude. Haha, you're laughing. Hey, oh no, look, treasure. Whoa. Gems. You find? I don't know. 5. Okay. 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 I could talk? Whoa. You had to explore on your own. Yeah. To Jama. Let's go to Jama. Let's go to Jama. Play while. Ooh. So let's go see what we have here. So we have Wolf Moon. That's trait. These are, I know that. Let's see them. Adopted. I don't know. Personality. Honest. Favorite toy. Ray gun. Favorite food. Blueberry. So that's what we have. Next, we have to look at clothing because, whoa, it's a backpack for school. We definitely need one of those. My school backpack look like, I like that one, and that one, and that. But I think I'm gonna choose the red one. So here we are. But I'm not gonna wear it because it's not time for school yet. Yep, it's not time for school yet. Now, what should we have also? I need my watch, kind of, because without my watch, I won't be really able to survive things. There's a watch here. Yeah, let's get this one. No, why not? I can't get it, really. Okay, then. How about we get something else? Wait, I saw something. This thing over here. It will count as a watch for us. So let's get it. Now let's go to this place. To your den. Okay. I understand. Yeah, so you need, whoa. Yeah. There and there. No, there we go. And here we go. I'm gonna put that over there. And that will go over here. Okay, there we go. Now what? Okay, I have a gift for you. Yay! Shopping bag. Whoa. How about we get ourselves, how about we get a tree? Whoa, we could customize it. I like the snowy one. Let's buy it a lot. Okay, I don't care. Yay, he gave me gems. Okay, now we're gonna make like this, like this, like this, like this. Then we're gonna do it like this, and then like this. Yeah, that's perfect. Now that she gave us, whoa, grocery bags. Whoa, refrigerator. This is unrealistic. Let's get this. No, we can't get it. How about, I don't know, what should we get? Let's come back to this place. First, let's go on training grounds. Talk to Liza. It's great to see you again. I never saw you before. Welcome to your training ground, blah blah. I don't care about what she said because I can't read. No, it's a monster. It's so scary. Yeah, I don't know what to do here, but because I can't really read, so yeah. Oh no, it's a monster! Monster! I got the monster. I think these little trap thingies, they catch the monsters. Yeah, there we go. Come on, master. Boom. Gotcha. Yay. Great job, it says. Whoa. Oh no. Where do we go? Whoa, I can't even see myself. Oh, there I am. And I'm going through the grass. That was amazing. Level up. 250 gems. Alright, hey guys. Hey, you're looking great today. I want this one for my watch because I like octopus tables, I mean. Hey, why not? Okay, whatever. I don't want to trade with you anymore. Okay, anyways guys, that was the end of my video and I will be seeing you next time. Bye.